Monday morning, you get called into the HR office and fired. But did you know? The human sitting across the room didn't make that decision at all. Welcome to the era of the algorithm boss. In thousands of American companies right now, a faceless artificial intelligence is silently watching every single second of your workday. This software doesn't care how hard you try. It only measures raw data. How long did you pause your typing? How many minutes between emails? Every single mouse click is being obsessively calculated. Your human value is reduced to a mere efficiency score. If your numbers drop even 1% below the algorithm's mathematical threshold, the system automatically places your name at the very top of the elimination list. No empathy, no negotiation. There is no room to consider your stress, family crises, or mental health. This firing machine operates in absolute silence, disposing of human components it deems defective. Ironically, your human manager today is nothing more than a messenger tasked with delivering the bad news, hiding cowardly behind cold calculations from behind the screen. So, if your computer suddenly slows down tomorrow morning, ask yourself, is it just a bad internet connection? Or is the AI drafting your termination letter?